I think the biggest surprise was probably just navigating how much harder the classes become. First year is a lot of gen ed and stuff like that, and I felt like the work was like a lot more than I was compared to just taking English 101. But after the first semester, I feel like I got a good handle on it, and we're halfway through now and I'm doing a lot better with it. I actually originally came in as a criminal justice major, and then I was like, oh, I don't know if this is really what I want. I want something a little more broad. So I ended up going into psychology because I took Psych 101 and I was interested in therapy, and I thought, okay, I can do a lot with both criminal justice and psychology, so I made criminal justice my minor.
For sophomores, I think what is important is to have growth mindset. I think what happens is that freshman year, whether or not it went the way you wanted it, and if that doesn't happen exactly the way you want it to happen, sophomore year can be a challenge. Coming in as a sophomore, you have to have that growth mindset. You have to have that mindset that it's not fixed, that your failures define you, but instead you're gonna grow from that. And you're gonna say, hey, it's a new year, I'm a sophomore now, I know better, I'm more clueful and not so clueless as a freshman. And then you're gonna take that and really incorporate it to grow.
They don't just wanna get through the class. They now view the class as something beneficial to them and something they wanna learn and wanna add a skill to themselves. So when a student goes from trying to get through the class to now seeing that every class they take is an investment in themselves and their future, they start taking that much more seriously. They get involved in activities, they start taking initiative, and they get very organized about what they're trying to do.
There are plenty of opportunities that many students can come in with, such as TRIO, which is a first-generation student, and also if you have disabilities or you're low income, it's a good way to meet other people and also people in the same path as you. And also it will help you network with others and learn many things like how to apply for other opportunities on campus.
So I think the second year sophomore slump is real. And that can be really overwhelming, especially if you're someone who's first generation. So my best advice to our sophomore students is to make sure that they're getting connected on campus. It's really going to help them really overcome those feelings of isolation and them feeling lost.
Bienvenidos a la clase de 2027.
We welcome you to your future.
Welcome to opportunity.